Hey miners, thanks for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Qbundle version 2.0 wallet, or all-in-one wallet. Basically what happens is that you start up your wallet and it says new update available. So okay, well let's update my wallet. So go here, check for updates, and you get current version, available version. So you go to download the updates. It says, do you want to stop the wallet? Yeah, sure. Let's stop it so I can update it. Then it's going to restart the Qbundle after the update is complete. Yes. So what happens is that you're downloading this update. It goes to the download manager, and then it tries to apply the download to the wallet. But then you go to load up your wallet again, and it's still at the same version and nothing happens. In fact, you go to your miner and try to hit your miner because okay, screw this update, I don't need it. You go to run your miner and then your miner stops working. Or even worse is that you go to log in your wallet and it doesn't want to log in, it's just stuck. So we're just gonna let this download here. So basically it's just an endless loop and the update never applies to your wallet. So I'm going to show you how to update your wallet with a workaround patch, and it's worked for me, and this is the easiest solution. Now there's also a download zip file where you unzip the file. It's basically a whole new wallet update that you're going to install, but those people are running small little test miners with their OS is on their operating system is on a 64 gig SSD, then you don't want to keep downloading unzippable folders and taking up space. So I'm going to show you the easiest route here. So but first things first is that you need to close the wallet before you apply the patch. So we're going to close this guy down. And then we are going to go to this site here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's basically the github.com, and it says right there patch version 2.0.1. This patch fixes these issues here: miner not starting, updater just endless loops. It says here, if you just want to fix your current 2.0 installation of Qbundle, you can download the Burst Wallet exe and replace that file. This is the method we're going to be using. So don't worry about any of this stuff. You just download this guy here. It is a very quick download. I'm going to show in folder. See, I already have one already there. So anyways, I'm going to right click that. Copy, and then you want to go to your Qbundle folder. Mine's in here. I named it Burst, and this is my Qbundle folder. As you can see, there's an executable file right there. I'm going to right click in this folder and I'm going to paste, and that's the one that I just pasted in there, and I'm going to delete this one. Right, but some of you will have yours is not going to say 1 and with brackets because this is actually a different name than the actual executable file was in there, that both was able to be here in the same time. So yours is not going to say that. It's just because I already downloaded it, it defaulted to 1 as a copy. So when you right click and paste it into this folder, a little window is going to come up saying, a file already exists. Do you want to replace it? You hit yes, replace it. So once that's in there, you're going to close this up and you're going to execute your wallet. If you have a shortcut to your wallet, if not, then you just, I thought I had a shortcut, but it's not in this computer. So now I'm going to double click that guy. My wallet's going to start up. And my wallet is up to date. As you can see, it doesn't say new updates available anymore. My Qbundle went from version 2.01 and my Burst wallet is version 2.0.3. So that's it. You're after this you're good to go. And just to test it out, I recommend you run your miner. I don't have any hard drives in this rig here, so I recommend you load up your certain plot files. It might already be in there, but run your miner and make sure everything's good. And that's it. You're good to go. This is by far the easiest solution. Unfortunately, I guess they released the updates, and it was maybe a beta update at best. So the update actually never applied to your wallet correctly. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and it helped you out. Please leave a like, a comment below, share it with your friends if need be, and as always, pay it forward. Thanks for watching.